Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, I want to talk about the way Handheld Contact chooses which contacts to synchronize or sync with your Act database. The way it chooses which contacts to sync is based on a group. Now, if you don't know what a group is in Act, Act can group together contacts in a group by selecting them on a series of criteria. You can manually select contacts and put them in a group, but I don't recommend that. I recommend that you set up what's called a dynamic group using what are called group membership rules to create that group. Now, if you've never done that, it can be a little confusing. I get that. I understand that. So the thing you need to understand is this is one of those situations where it's a little bit of a cart before the horse. You need to set up the group first so that that group is available. So when you go to set up Handheld Contact API, it sees that group. In other words, you want to take that step first. That's why I'm doing this tutorial. So I have created a group in Act called Handheld Contact Sync. And the reality is that group contains every single contact in my Act database. Now, you might not know this, but when you create a new contact in Act, there's a field in Act called Create Date, the date of the creation of that contact, Create Date. So what I did is I created a group in Act, and I said, listen, if that group has a date in the Create Date field, put them in the Handheld Contact Sync group. So let me say that again. If the Create Date has a date in it, put them in this group automatically. Now, this is what I know. The minute you create a new contact or any old contacts, there's automatically a create date. So every contact in Act has a create date. Therefore, every single contact in that group is going to get synchronized to Handheld Contact. I'm going to show you next how to create that group, and I'll show you the exact steps you want to take so you can basically duplicate exactly what I'm doing. Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Holowitz, thank you very much.